Hello, today's machine is the Helimax 200 fixed pitch RC helicopter with LED lights and camera. This bird comes ready to fly with a 2 GB SD card reader, radio, and a 1000 milliamp battery that should give you about a 10-minute flight time. Let's have a closer look. To access your battery, all you do is look at the bottom of the unit, pull this latch, and your battery slides right out. Snap her back, and you're ready to go. To activate your LEDs for night flying, just simply turn the knob here, and your LEDs come on. Now you'll have an LED on the top of this blade, and then you'll have one on the bottom of that blade. That way, when you're flying and the thing's spinning, you can see it at the top, and you can see it from the bottom. To turn the light off, just give it a little turn. Now, if you get this thing, and no matter how hard you turn it, which you don't want to turn that too hard, if you turn it and the lights don't come on, then just simply get a piece of foil, put it up under here, and then the lights will cut on. How about we take her out for a night flight?